Hi everyone, this is Dr. Moss. I wanted to let you know that Unit 2 is now open on gender history and give you just a little bit of insight on this particular unit. So as you read these new chapters, I wanted to make sure that you're able to understand a lot about what makes up our own gender history. And as you get to reflect a lot on our own, we're going to get to one of the major projects in the course, which is actually looking at your own gender history and examining and evaluating and analyzing it. And what I'd like you to do too is to really pick up on a lot of the concepts we talk about in these chapters, especially from units 1 and 2, and be able to pull in a lot of those concepts. One of the major theories that we'll talk about is Harrow's cycle of socialization. And you'll be able to use that cycle and apply that to your own life and bring in some of the ideas that Harrow talks about. But as far as that goes, I want you to be able to show you application and be able to look at your own socialization, whether it be from school or your family or whatever happens to be, and to show some really clear examples of that and how they relate to the theory and concepts that are related in these chapters. That's kind of it in a nutshell. Units actually 2.2, we'll talk a lot more about that in detail. As this project goes, that could take the form of an essay if you wish to write an essay form, or if you want to go with multimedia format, you can put together a PowerPoint or Prezi or screencast of some kind if you wanted to go with that. But really go with something you're comfortable with, not challenged with, is my suggestion there, so that you can do a pretty good job on it. Do read through the rubric that I provide and how you're going to be graded on this as well. So I'll be looking carefully and trying to adhere to that criteria in grading these assignments. So that's kind of a sneak preview on this. Do take notes, do understand a lot of the concepts, because I'm looking to see how well you understand gender history and how well you're going to pull those ideas into your own life and relate those to me. So as we get into this, do let me know any questions you might have or what you're thinking about doing or using on this assignment. By all means, relate that to me if you're having any challenges. So have a good week, and we'll talk to you later.